Alright, first Supermoto ride. I'm excited. Took her out a couple times already, but you guys have not seen it in action. Rocking the new GoPro 8 Black. Got some mail today for the XR80. Brand new plastics. And they color match perfect. I'm very happy about that. But we'll go over that in another video. I want to go hit the streets. Haha, he liked that. I think he's my neighbor. He's got the same truck as me, but his is lifted. Lucky. So if any of you have been watching my dirt bike build series, we went over a couple things in the last video. I bought the Vortex ECU for this bike. It was $6.99. Appalachia Off-Road MC, showed in stock, and what happened? They refunded me. Guess they were on back order. So somehow I spent that money on God knows what, and now I gotta wait to get some more funds in to buy that because it's an expensive item. So since I purchased that day, I started searching for an exhaust. I was gonna go with the FMF slip-on. Can't find one. Literally, you cannot find one. You can't find one on eBay, you can't find one on KTM Twins or anywhere. I cannot find a damn slip-on for this bike that's not $700. The FMF is like $4.5, somewhere around there. Sometimes even a little bit cheaper, depending on color and end cap style and stuff like that. There's a Yoshimura, but that's like $6.99. There's a Akrapovic or a Krapovic, however you pronounce it. Again, it's like upwards of $600 or $700. There's no way I'm spending that kind of money on an exhaust. I really didn't want to go ahead and just order it and then get it when I get it and have those funds tied up. So basically what I'm saying is there is zero performance modifications done to this bike. We just had the seat concept seat. We got the Motomaster Supermoto front brake kit and the Warp 9s. And that shit is not cheap. But it's an amazing bike as is. And now that I did the conversion, I got the big brakes on here. You know, it feels a lot better than when it was in a dual sport form. I also took that big ass fender off the back. I had to cut a couple things, but there's a little flap there to hold your license plate, and then I just screwed in the stock turn signals to it. That was a free mod. I'm happy about that. I'm also happy about this new GoPro. I don't know why I didn't go with the 9. The 8 is incredible. And I'm sure this camera is going to do everything I want it to do and more. You had to get a microphone adapter though. I went over that in the last video as well. So I got that attached to my helmet. And you know guys, thanks everyone for watching my videos and leaving comments and stuff. It's really helped. My channel's, we're doing pretty decent. You know, it's monetized now. There's some ads in there. Sorry about that, but I've been trying to get to that point for well over a year. We reached that, monetized what videos I was eligible for, non-copyright music, blah, 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 blah. But hey, I mean, some money is coming in. Pretty soon I might have enough to buy a case of beer. And you know, I'm really happy I'm out here getting you guys a video because I need the ride, man. I've had a lot of things on my mind. I was sick for like 2 weeks, that sucked. My girlfriend and I split up. She fucking moved out. So, getting on the bike kind of get your mind off of that stuff. But at the same time, with things going on, I didn't even really feel like riding. But the 2021 season is here. This is the official start to it. And I am going to be rusty. I know that. I don't really have a whole lot to talk about, tubers. My life is not that exciting. Look at this fat ass Porsche. Go get me a Red Bull. I'm gonna head up to this park kind of area because I've been looking for a new place for my dog to go swimming. Bumpy. Woo. It's definitely different wheeling this with the Supermoto wheels on there. I don't know, it's got like more like rotating mass or something. It just feels different. And it also feels different than my 05. I hate that I'm kind of like a wheelie chaser. This is pissing me off. Like, I am not on the bike enough to start making gains here. And I always cheat. I always wheelie uphill. Because kind of, you know, you're not like increasing speed. There we go. But again, it's uphill. That's beautiful. Damn, so bumpy. That Red Bull was delicious. Probably have to take the trail down out that way. I'll check it out when the weather gets a little nicer. Springtime has just started. Ooh! That's a nice thumbnail right there. You know what I'm saying, tubers? Damn, she's sexy. It says trail closed, but I seen people walking their dog down there. However, if you look this place up on Google Map, it does say temporarily closed. Probably because of all this COVID bullshit. I'm tired of it. Ooh, 1,600 miles. Time for an oil change. So this video was not really meant to be an exciting video because I'm very rusty. I suck at wheelies anyway, but I really wanted to test out this camera. And I wanted to get you a video of me riding the converted KTM. So I'm gonna go head back to the clubhouse.